Hello there. It's nice seeing you again. It's time to unravel the principles of design. Movement. In the world of design, movement is the secret force that breathes life into static images. Think of it as a visual choreography, directing the viewer's gaze with finesse. Just like a skilled conductor guides an orchestra, you, as a designer, can use movement to orchestrate the viewer's journey through your creation. It's not just about static visuals, it's about leading the eye seamlessly to where you want it to be. Whether it's a subtle curve, a dynamic diagonal, or a carefully placed element, movement transforms your designs into a captivating visual narrative. I hope you found the content helpful and inspiring. Feel free to check out my other videos related to design. And if you enjoyed this one, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more design insights. Don't forget to share with your friends and fellow designers. Hasta la vista, cheero!